a lot. And then there's another I want them open, so I want you to do the first one, top one first.
They're super bad.
Go the correct way, but you got to go up higher.
Yeah.
Do this one first, because it's going to be a little bit easier. That's how far down you have to go right here. Now go. Yeah, push towards me.
Oh, I see. There's two.
So why did you not have a ridge reamer before? Is it that you would build an engine a different way?
No, I've had ridge reamers. Normally what you do is you go to the auto parts store and you say, I'd like to borrow a ridge reamer. And they have them on loan.
And they give you the same look that you got.
No, it used to be back in the day. Look at that sludge it's on.
Now this one comes up.
Yeah, now you take both of those. Keep going. It's a little harder to do.
I think you need a bigger
Well, you got a 9/16 socket.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying to.
Harder. Pretend it's trouble.
Maybe, I don't know, yeah. It's going right there.
It doesn't look like the engine.
It's all right. Scrappy old engine. They can do lots of bad things to it as long as you do it.
Hey, you can leave a bolt in there, though. It won't really mess it up when you're done.
No, it just ends up in the
It's just a nut.
Wow, that's random.
See, this one still has all its lead, right? So this one most likely is the top bearing. This one doesn't. This is the bottom bearing. So the reason the top bearing is okay is the top bearing never sees a load, right? It's only the, well actually I said that backwards. This is, I did it backwards. This is the top bearing, this is the bottom bearing. This is what sees the load, this one never sees the load. So this is the load from this thing banging up and down. But you can see this still has its lead, this has half its lead, right? This still looks pretty good. And there's also some other information on this, right? There's some in the middle, and it would be nice if they weren't there. It would be nice if they weren't there. We might have to get this crank turn to get rid of those. But this is a little better than I thought it would be. It's a nice even wear pattern. There's not a lot of scratching. These are circlets that hold your piston pin in place. So now what we need to do, what time is it?
7:40.
7:40. So we're almost at 8 o'clock. We've got enough time to do this next couple of steps.
That's pretty cool.
So bring in,
What is this?
I need the bearings. I need this, and somebody's got the bearings, right? Okay.